Get Canva Pro for free. Enjoy unlimited access to premium templates, elements, fonts, and more. Absolutely free with Canva Pro. How to get Canva Pro access? Just follow these simple steps. 1. Visit this website, giveawayplanet.blogspot.com. 2. Find the Canva Pro card on the page. Click the Claim Now button. 4. A new page will open. Wait 15 seconds. Five. Then click the Continue button. 6. On the next page, click the Get Here button. Important tip. Sometimes the Get Here button may take you to an ad or another website. Simply close that page and click Get Here again. Repeat if needed until you reach Canva's login or invite page. Final step. Once you're on Canva's page, simply log in with your Gmail to activate your free Canva Pro account. Pro tip. Try this at night. The links work better when the server load is lower.